Well, welcome back, my friends. All right, let's talk about finished basements because there's a lot of confusion out there. I get this question almost every time I'm showing a house or working with a listing. Finishing your basement is a great way to add living space. Think rec room, home gym, guest suite, or maybe even a theater room or an in-law suite. You're always wanting more square footage, but there's something a lot of homeowners do not realize. Finished basement square footage does not count towards your home's taxable square footage, which is awesome. It's a pro. So no, you're not getting taxed more for finishing your basement. Yay, 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 yay. But on the flip side, when it comes to appraisals, your finished basement won't get the same value as the above ground square footage. So even if you spent big bucks, it's typically valued less per square footage than what is above grade. So you actually you get a credit. Now let's clear up another big myth. Walkout basements, yes, they feel more like the main living area. Yes, they bring a lot of natural light in and you have the doors that lead to the outside, which is perfect. But guess what? Even a walkout basement isn't automatically counted as above ground square footage. No matter what your builder or your neighbor or your mom's brothers, cousins, uncle said, trust me, I live with an appraiser and the USPAP lingo in the appraisal world, a uniform standard of professional appraisal practices, will not count it. But there's good news when it comes to time to sell. A finished basement can absolutely set your home apart from others on the market. Buyers love that extra space, especially if other homes nearby do not have those. So while you might not get top dollar or top credit for an appraisal, you're gonna get something even better, a more desirable home to market. Think about that. Thinking about finishing your basement or what you need to know and what it's worth in today's market, I'd love to come on over and help you out. Give me a call, text me a message. Me and Mo will make a special guest appearance when you want to chat, maybe he'll show up with me. Don't forget, we're always keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.